Good morning, everyone. Oh, I didn't turn my light on over there. Oh well, this is enough. Today is Tuesday, April 7th. I think I got that right. We have 16 orders. So yesterday I finished at 174, almost one, or is that 175? Your glasses ain't doing shit. 176. Off to 47 today. That's nice. 16 orders going out for 211. I think something must have just come in. Not really. Anyway. So yeah, let's start pulling some orders here. Got that card last weekend or the weekend before, whenever I went to Lancaster. Postcard show. Talk about that in a what sold video for the members, why I picked it up, how much it paid, all that good stuff. So that one's going out. Didn't sell at auction, but it's sold at Buy It Now. I just started everything at auction just for shits and giggles. Several airplane cards. I already pulled them. I think about half my orders are airplane cards, maybe less. Okay, what else we got? KO9. So yeah, I gotta apologize for that video yesterday. It's one of those things when it's not whether you should, no, it's not whether you can do it, it's whether you should do it. Yeah, in my mind, I was like, oh, I need to do this. One of the most cringy things I've ever done. I know my videos are usually crap, but that one takes the cake. I got goosebumps thinking just how bad it is. No, don't watch it. It's an auditory and visual assault. Just, yeah. So it's so, when I do that in my road tripping videos, which I still got to work on finishing up the Lancaster and Habit of Grace, I love Dunkin' Donuts, and I just add that to the beginning, and it's fine in one little section of one video, but man, when you put them all together, oof. Oh well, I don't take myself too seriously, but that seriously was horrible. But hey, I was just hoping for like a $5 gift card from Dunkin'. Haven't heard. They're probably trying to recover from that. They'll probably send me a $5 Starbucks gift card to switch brands. But I don't like Starbucks coffee. I like Dunkin's. So anywho, enough of that. We'll mark that up to one of the things we'll never talk about again, and I foresee that not being in future videos after these next two. I got Allentown coming up at the end of the month, so there might be a lack of that. Okay, what's this one? Maine. I gotta get moving on listing those Maine boxes. I mean, it's not much. It's easy money. I need some more shelving here. Okay, some more airplane cards. That. Getting a whole bunch of questions still from buyers. Where's my item? It's marked delivered, but it's not in the mailbox. I had one. The one this last night was message me in the morning that it's marked delivered, but they didn't receive it. So his mail hasn't even shown up. So I sent him I sent a picture of what I put in my listings, and I said, it's been asked so many times. I put it in every listing that I explained the delivered, not delivered scan, and that it should 99% of the time it shows up in within a week. And then he sent a message back a couple hours later. Oh, yeah, it came in the mail today. So you didn't even get your mail for the day and you're saying it wasn't delivered because, I don't know. People just can't read. Just, jeez. Anywho, but yeah, I had several of those yesterday. It's marked delivered, but not delivered. That's like my biggest pet peeve. I have a lot of pet peeves, but that is definitely one of the biggest ones. Just read. Lucy the Elephant. Purchased that at Having a Grace this weekend. L33. So what am I? I'm still processing those boxes from Lancaster. Still have maybe 5 boxes left, and I haven't even gotten to the Continental yet. But today is housework day. I'll worry about sorting tonight. I gotta kill the weeds. I mean, the landscaper did such a great job, but I built a paver walkway in the back, going from 2 fence gates back into the backyard where the pool is, and the weeds have just grown up through the bricks. So I need to get some. I have it. I just need to get out today. That's my goal today, is to get out and spray those weeds so it'll kill them. And hopefully they won't come back. Brunswick's a little town down the road. And then I got to mow. I haven't mowed yet. Like I said, it kind of looks like my grass may actually survive and come back, which is nice. And but I haven't mowed yet. I'm going to take care of that, and then I got to take the cover off the pool and deal with that swampy green mess. Brunswick. Okay, busy. So I'm going to try to get a decent amount of that done today. So I won't be doing much eBay. It'd be nice to get all that stuff sorted, and the boxes I already have sorted out. Not really sorted, but I've processed them. They'll be coming to Whatnot Pounders this weekend. I have 2 boxes of Holidays and Greetings, so I'll do pounders of those. I mean, they're not going to be great Santas. In fact, there wasn't anything like that in the boxes. It's going to be mostly your kind of generic cards. But people seem to like those for crafts. Sold an airplane photo. Been selling a lot of those recently. And what do we got? Another main card. F39. Anybody doing any great sourcing recently? I've been doing pretty good at the Postcard shows. Really don't have anything else to pontificate about. I did watch. Oh, who was it? Is it Justin Resells? I'm not exactly sure, but he put out a video of the eBay algorithm and what it looks for. I thought it was a pretty good video. I mean, still no one exactly knows what eBay algorithm does. And anybody who says they do, they don't. Unless they're a eBay insider. But some of the stuff he said makes sense. Again, whether it's 100% based on eBay facts, I don't know. But it sounded good. So you all can go find him. I'm sure everybody's aware of him more than they are aware of me. Okay. 32. New Jersey. Wildwood. Spent, when I was first dating my wife, her and her girlfriend had rented like an apartment for the summer down at Wildwood. Spent some good time down there for over the summer. She had it for like, they had it all summer, but they kind of like traded off weeks or weekends or something like that. But yeah, I think I spent like 10 days down there one time. That was pretty cool. Good price on that one. BD19. Real photo of a river. Nice. $16. I'll take it. Yep. And okay, I know what happened. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 orders came in right after I pulled the airplane photo. So that's what happened. That's why it jumped more than I expected. Okay, AQ. We got some choo-choo trains. AQ37. And I gotta go. The other ones are over on one of the other shelving units. So that one and that one going to the same person. Quick refresh. Nothing else. Okay. This weekend, you got the New York Postcards show in New York City. There's the address, $3 to get in. Shelbyville, Tennessee, also this weekend. And looks like it's free to go. And then we got some more coming up next weekend. So lots of opportunities for you to go buy some postcards and flip them for good profit. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave below. If you want to join the membership, $4.99, you know all that stuff. Like and subscribe if you want. I'm never going to tell you what to do. And I thank you all for watching.